In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable auto size widths for columns and matrix in Power BI. If you've ever had a matrix visual constantly shifting column widths when the data refreshes, or when you navigate between pages, that's auto size at work. It's designed to fit columns snugly around the content, but it can make your layout feel unpredictable. Disabling it gives you stable, consistent column widths so your report looks the same every time your audience opens it. Start by selecting the matrix visual on your report canvas. This is important because Power BI shows formatting options based on the visual you've selected. When the matrix is active, you'll see its settings appear in the Visualizations pane on the right. If you don't see anything change, make sure you've actually clicked the matrix and not the page background or a different visual. With the matrix selected, look for the formatting area where you control how the visual looks. Find the section labeled Column Headers. This section controls the appearance and behavior of the header row across your columns. Open it, then expand Options inside that same section. In Options, you'll see a toggle called Auto Size Width. This is the setting that tells Power BI to automatically adjust each column based on the longest value it needs to display. Turn Auto Size Width off. As soon as you disable it, Power BI stops automatically resizing the columns. From now on, the widths will remain consistent, even if the data changes or if a longer value appears later. That consistency is especially helpful for dashboards with strict layout requirements, paginated style designs, or when you want to keep key numbers aligned for quick comparison. A quick note on behavior. This change applies only to the matrix visual you currently have selected. If you're using multiple matrix visuals and want the same behavior elsewhere, repeat this process for each one. Also, remember that once auto size is off, Power BI won't expand columns for you, so very long values may be truncated unless you manually adjust widths elsewhere. The payoff is full control over the presentation and a more polished, predictable look. And that's all you need to do. Select the matrix visual, open column headers, head into Options, and disable Auto Size Width. With that single change, your matrix will stop jumping around, and your viewers will get a cleaner, more stable reading experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building more consistent, professional-looking Power BI reports.